Alexander Zverev smashed his tennis racket in dramatic fashion at the Australian Open. Image, Getty. The 21-year-old lost his rag in dramatic fashion after going 2 sets down to his Canadian opponent. Zverev sat in his chair and smashed his racket repeatedly into the ground until there was nothing left of it. And fans were quick to criticize the German's behaviour in the Australian Open fourth-round match. One tweeted, "How many excuses can they make for a guy who didn't show up to play?" Another added, "This is an example of what you should not do if you're a tennis player. It shows immaturity and you'll get an unnecessary warning." And a third explained, "It's 6-1, 6-1 to Anoth. This is a total meltdown by Zverev." Before the match, Zverev was looking forward to facing his Canadian opponent. He said, "I mean, we played twice, once on clay, once on grass, which were 2 very different matches obviously." Alexander Zverev blew off some steam after going 2 sets down. Image, Getty. He's playing very well. Only lost a set to Stan in the tournament so far. It's going to be a fun match. Obviously not a lot of rallies, not a lot of long points. The winner of Zverev or Anoth will face Bornach or Lucas Pouille in the quarterfinals. Pundit Catherine Whitaker believes Zverev will have hated Roger Federer being dumped out of the Australian Open by Stefanos Tsitsipas as well. Alexander Zverev lost his temper against Milos Raonic. Image, Getty. The description of rising to the occasion is not something he's done yet or that you can apply to Zverev, she said. "You can imagine, given what we already know about their relationship, that Zverev hated what happened tonight. Tsitsipas winning. You've got Nick Kyrgios saying, 'I don't mind seeing my competitors do well.' Well, that isn't Zverev's attitude. He did not enjoy tonight, I'm quite sure."